1. 1984 Chevy S10 $4,375, Placer County. This 1984 Chevy is a second-owner truck in good condition with a 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and 165,000 miles. The paint is white, and the body shows no rust except for one tiny dent. The interior is clean, with a nice dash, steering wheel, and headliner. The windshield has cracks, and the truck needs carburetor work, but it's a dependable vehicle that has been well maintained. The truck is being sold as is. Two, 1989 Ford F-150 4x4 manual, $7,500, Auburn. This 1989 Ford F-150 is a 4x4 manual transmission truck with 90,000 original miles and one owner. The truck has been well cared for with regular maintenance, good tires, and excellent brakes. The body and interior are in excellent condition with no accidents and no check engine lights. It's ready for any off-road adventure with reliable 4x4 performance. Three, 1986 Ford F-150 XL, $4,800, San Juan Capistrano. This 1986 Ford F-150 XL has a 4.9-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, 148,000 miles, and a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs great, has power steering and brakes, and a long bed. It comes with a clean title and registration until September 2025. It's an excellent workhorse for any task. $1987 Chevy R20 truck, $6,500, La Quinta. This 1987 Chevy R20 is in excellent condition with 177,000 miles. It features a 5.7-liter TBI engine, automatic transmission, and working AC and heater. The truck has a clean title, no rust, and is smogged and ready to drive anywhere. The engine has 25,000 miles, and the transmission has 5,000 miles. A great classic truck at an affordable price. Five, 1981 VW Pickup truck, $4,950, Arroyo Grande. This 1981 VW Pickup, nicknamed Rusty, is a diesel with a 4-speed manual transmission. It has 185,000 miles and has received upgrades like a new timing belt and water pump. The truck starts every time and runs and drives great. It's a perfect option for someone looking for a simple diesel pickup with great fuel economy. 6. 1984 Isuzu Pup, $500. This 1984 Isuzu Pup is a fair-condition diesel truck with 181,000 miles. It runs somewhat, but needs some mechanical work to get it running properly. It's a great project for someone with mechanical experience, as these trucks are known to last a long time when well-maintained. The truck has a clean title. Seven. 1988 Chevy 2500 Silverado 4x4, 5,500 Oak View. This 1988 Chevy 2500 Silverado 4x4 has a broken odometer and 275,111 miles. It features a rebuilt 3-engine and automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives, but it needs some work. It has a salvage title and is being sold as is, but it's a work truck ready for someone who can take on the project. 8. 1985 Chevy truck, 3,850 Albuquerque. This 1985 Chevy truck has a 350 V8 engine with 130,000 miles. It's a very original truck with an automatic transmission and has great potential for restoration or continued use as a driver. The body is straight and it runs well without any smoke or rattles. It's a great base for someone looking to restore a classic vehicle. 9. 1989 Isuzu Pickup 4x5 $3,500 Ukiah. This 1989 Isuzu Pickup has 237,585 miles and a manual 5-speed transmission. It's a 4x4 truck, but it currently has trouble idling. Despite this, it still drives if the accelerator is kept pressed. The truck is being sold as is, and it has new tires and a new battery. The seller is offering it at a reduced price due to the mechanical issue. 10. 1988 Chevy S10 Project truck, $3,000, Porterfield, WI. This 1988 Chevy S10 is a project truck with a V8 SVC engine and manual transmission. The truck has been sitting for 6 years and needs significant work, including rewiring and transmission repairs. It's an excellent candidate for a V8 swap, and the seller has already installed some of the necessary components. The truck is sold as is. 11. 1985 Toyota Pickup truck, $9,800, Sonoma. This 1985 Toyota Pickup is a long bed truck with a 5-speed manual transmission and 146,165 miles. It runs well and is in good condition with no major issues. The truck has been well maintained and has a clean title. It's an excellent option for anyone looking for a reliable classic truck with great potential for restoration. 12. 1982 Toyota Pickup Truck Diesel, $7,999. This 1982 Toyota Diesel Pickup is a rare model with a manual transmission and 107,780 miles. It's rust-free and has great fuel economy. The truck has had its timing belt replaced at 100K miles, and it runs and drives exactly as it should. It has a clean title and is smog exempt, making it a great option for collectors. (13) 1989 Chevy 1500, 16 horsepower Spokane Valley. This 1989 Chevy 1500 is a dependable work truck with 153,406 miles. It has some cosmetic issues, including paint peel, rust around the doors and wheel wells, and a detached headliner. However, it has received recent mechanical attention, including a new exhaust, fuel pump, and alternator. The truck is being sold as is. 14. 1987 Dodge Power Ram 2500 4x4, $3,250. This 1987 Dodge Power Ram 500 4x4 has 95,000 miles and is powered by a 318 V8 engine with an automatic transmission. It's been in storage since 2017 and runs but needs a tune-up. The truck has minimal rust for its age and is being sold as is. It's a solid project truck for someone looking for a classic 4x4.